change the band on your watch, start by flipping it over on the table. In this case, we have a NATO style band, so it's as easy as pulling it, and there you go, it's off. To reinstall it, it's almost as simple. Pass it under the pin between the lugs, and there you go, it's over. Now, if your goal is to install a regular band, it's slightly more complicated. We'll start by removing the NATO band. Then, you see the pin over here? You just have to tickle it a little bit and then, well, I hope you won't have too much trouble finding it. As you can see, this pin holds between the lugs thanks to a spring system. Now, you should be able to install this pin inside your new band. Clearly, this one is too small for the watch, but it's just an example. Insert one side of the pin into the cavity of one of the lugs, then rest the other side of the pin on the other lug. Using a small tool, push the pin to help it get inside the lug. If necessary, then move the band until the pin enters the cavity. The spring will do its job to keep everything in place. Of course, you just need to do the same thing on the other side. Now, if you're looking for a new band, make sure to order the right size. Often, the size is marked on the band or the watch. In this case, you need a 20mm. If you need to order a new band, you can shop using the link in the description. And the tool I use to remove the pin is specifically designed for this. There are plenty of other things you can use to do it, but if you want the right tool, I've left you a link in the description to order it. It comes with a complete kit for maintaining your watch and it's very affordable. And that's it. I hope it was helpful.